So I'm going to prune my blueberry bushes. I'm going to show you one that I'm going to prune, take you guys along. I do this every year. Going towards the end of winter, I know we're going to have probably quite a few more cold days, but it's a nice warm day today. So I'm going to get it done and I'm going to take you along with me. Okay, so this right here is the blueberry bush that I'm getting ready to trim. As you can see, it has a lot of hard, dead branches on it. And throughout there, it still has some green branches. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. Okay, it has quite a few, and this has new growth on it actually, as you can see. And I'm going to keep the ones that still are green like this, but all these hard brown ones in here, they're getting ready to be cut down. The branches aren't normally hard, so it normally doesn't take much to cut them off because, well, they are dying. But anything that's dark brown like that, you want to clip that off all over because that's just going to hinder it. Also, by pruning it, you're going to give your blueberry bush more air circulation, and that's what you want for maximum growth. You can cut it down. I am just trying to cut most of these really heavy wooded stems like this off of the branch, leaving the greenery in here, but cutting it down some. Some of them I will cut down as well that are just not producing. You want to give your blueberry bush as much air circulation as possible for maximum growth. So I tend to do this every year to all of my blueberry bushes, and it seems like they work out pretty good. So we're just cutting out all the dead. Now this is a real heavy dead branch all the way. So I'm going to get down here and I'm going to cut it all the way down. Let's see if I can pull it up out of there. Yep. Okay, it's on with this wire. So I can take this loose because we're going to be cutting. This is where I had it tied up at with this so that it can kind of grow straight. And I wanted to also have my blueberry bushes grow a little bit more bushier than taller. They had actually gotten to the point where they were probably about 6 feet tall, and I would like for them to grow a little bit wider. I'm just trying to take off this wire piece here that I had the bush tied together with so that I can get these cut out. Might have to go get my heavier cutters for this one. Now this one is from the main branches, but it's all dead. So it needs to come out of here, and I probably have to get my larger cutters in order to get it out. Okay, so this is what we actually have left. I'm going to still get that part right there out of here. But as you can see, it looks like a little scrawny plant. I will also take this out right down here as well. This one out. And this one appears to be dead, but it has a lot of green life still growing out of it. Some of it is even budding. So I don't think I'm going to take that out. But I will be doing this to all of my blueberry bushes. Okay, so that's it for really pruning the blueberry bushes. You're really just cutting out all the dead ones. Now I could cut it down some more, but that's fine where it is, and we'll see how well it produces and how well it grows in the spring. This particular one is my very oldest blueberry bush, so it's a little bit more rougher than the rest of them, but I'm going to trim all the rest of them down, and I would suggest doing it before spring fully hits. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and I'm Pam. This is Zone 8A, and anywhere you consider pot, you can grow a plant.